Hi everybody, a lot of my patients ask me what is my nightly regimen and how I get my skin to be pretty and stay youthful. This is what I do. I already brushed my teeth, flossed, and washed my face. I don't use anything specific. I just use any type of a liquid soap that are organic or bought from stores that are safe and clean. And this is what I do after. I have a couple of serums that I made. I mix them together. They're usually vitamin C, collagen, vitamin E, sacha inchi. They're all mixed into one. When you put it, right away your skin feels refreshed. And after the serum, I take my BLA. Where did I put my BLA? And this is my old BLA. 3 years ago we made the clear ones. We don't have that anymore. And I do my exercises. My husband is in bedroom, so I'm gonna quietly do my exercises that I do every night. So I start with horizontal exercise. (30 seconds), usually about 15 of the repetition of horizontal exercise. Hold it, release it. Now we're going to do our second exercise that I always do, which is my lip plumper. We're going to use the upper and lower lip and bring it together. While you're doing it, smile at yourself. See how beautiful you are. We all are beautiful. And when you open, extend all the way. When you close, close. I would like to always do my neck exercise. Everybody tells me for 52, I have beautiful profile. So I'm going to show you what I do for my neck exercise. It's a vertical exercise, but we're gonna push the lower jaw forward. It releases the TMJ. It relaxes the facial muscle for people that clench and grind. And if you snore, it's going to help you with your snoring. So here it is. Just about 10 of that. And then you're ready to go and just do some meditative breathing and get to sleep really nice and well. Everybody, good night.
Honey, where are you?